Hi, this is John from NYC. Today, I'm going to use this JYT Alcohol stove and use the stovetop heater. Simple fact that I want to try this one is that with this switch, you can control how much fire you can put out. So let's get it started. For this experiment, I'm going to use exactly 1 ounce of alcohol. And there goes fire. I'm going to cut it down a little bit. And like so. It's pretty sturdy like this. Now I'm going to open the fire. To see how well this one will work. Previously, I have used this on a gas one stove. Also, I use it on a transient like alcohol stove, but I never tried it on this one. I think it already put out enough heat. Wow, this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna close this down a little bit to switch and control the fire. So I think this one is good. You can limit how much fire output you could do. So the thing is not getting red anymore. I open this. Out here, it will start getting hot. And start, I don't know if you be able to see this. Over here, start getting red. There you go, you can see it. Now, cut down the fire with the switch. It's just, fire is still on, but it's not as red as much as it was when you open all the way. So this way, you can control how much heat output you can have or not, as I was expecting. Now also, since you're limiting how much fire you push out, then you can also have a much longer heat with the alcohol. Not quite sure how much longer, but it definitely is or will be longer than when you open it all the way. So I think, let me open it a little bit more. And since the it's not too wobbly, you can actually put a pot up there to boil water, do whatever you need to do on top of it. So I think this makes it a really great selection. This alcohol stove is a great selection to have if you're gonna just use it to for the stovetop heater for the emergency use, because you can do the multitasking. You can cook while you're using this or heat up the place. If you are using a tent, make sure you have like well ventilated area. I think think this will be awesome. So just put out enough heat. This is really great. As I said it before in the past, this stovetop heater is definitely a great investment, just in case certain things happen. Just in case your electricity go out or whatever, or some in a very cold day your heater doesn't work, whatever the situation may be, this will be a great deal. So I've told you in the past where you can buy the JYT Alcohol for cheaper price than the Home Depot. Have some JYT Alcohol. I think this will be a great investment just in case certain things happen in your house with some JYT Alcohol, and also this stovetop heater just in case you need to have some kind of heater in an emergency situation. And with this, since you can't control how much heat you can produce, do the actual fire control, I think this will be another great thing for the car camping if you guys like to do car camping during the winter time. So I think this is very awesome stuff to have for emergency or whatever the reason if you go into like camping during the cold weather and stuff. So I'll keep it in mind. This alcohol stove, I bought it on Amazon. I think about $10, $11 somewhere there. Stovetop heater, about $20. So this is something great to have. I'm open this all the way up, get this thing done. Anyway, this concludes my video for the day. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Okay. Till next time. Bye.